Vince is at Home, Episode 7, Take 1.
This week at Vince is at Home, we're going to be diving into a sweet, healthy, and delicious treat.
Healthy?
Trust me, it's going to be delicious. Anyways, as I was saying, today we're going to be talking about the best way to use medjool dates. Once they are open, it's best to seal them in an airtight container or in a Ziploc bag in the fridge just to keep them fresh.
Ooh, I love medjool dates. They're very caramelly. Do you know that the dry texture on the outside is actually natural? That's how they're picked off the tree. There's nothing wrong with them. They're perfectly fine the way they are and ready to eat.
Sometimes they can actually have a white film on them, which is also okay. If you don't like the way it looks, you can just wipe them off, but it is natural as well. As Giancarlo mentioned, they are very caramelly, which means they are sticky as well. When cutting your dates, if you want to make it a little easier to cut into them, you can put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and that way they'll chop really nicely.
It's good advice.
And good for something.
Good for a lot of things, Mal. Come on.
I actually found this recipe on TikTok. It's one of everyone's favorite chocolate bars.
Cool.
It's Snickers, and you can use medjool dates to make them.
Cool. And did you know that medjool dates, or any date, is filled with fiber and antioxidants, which is great for your heart health, and also fiber is great for digestion.
First, cut a slit in the dates and remove the pit. In our case, we got pitted dates, so we did not have to do that, and they were easy to peel open with our fingers. Next, fill each date with a spoonful of peanut butter. We used our Vince's Own peanut butter, which is naturally made with really only peanuts. Add half a cup of chocolate chips in the bowl, and then add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Heat in the microwave until melted and stir to combine. The next step is to take each peanut butter filled date and dunk it in the chocolate. And the final step, which is my favorite, is topping them off with chopped peanuts. All you have to do is pop them in the fridge for about 10 minutes and then enjoy. Well, there you have it. Medjool dates and Snickers. Let's try them.
Cool.
Wait, that's really good.
That really tastes like a Snickers.
That's insane.
You got to do this. Make this.
Right now. You.
Oh yeah, Derek's coming. We really
Bite it in half, or did you just eat
Yeah.
I took a bite. I took
Took a
one
bite.
solid bite. And I do like Snickers. That's my go-to.
That's really good.
Wow.
These are really good.